So right now, today is the next day, which is March 26th. As you can see, I don't see him dying. Still looks the same to me, as green as usual. Maybe it's even greener than yesterday, right? So it says that we can usually notice within 3 hours. And this is the next day. And it's still, look at that. So can't really trust this chemicals here. Same crap, right? So I'll keep on updating and we'll find out. All right guys, so I have an issue with these weeds here, or unwanted grass, whatever you call it, and it's my driveway. And I don't know, there's a little crack between the wall, concrete wall, and my ground clearance, but these grass seems to come back every time. And I just hate to see my wife do all the cleaning and my mom, you know. And today I went to Home Depot and I checked this out. I bought these Roundup, and it's supposed to kill weeds and grass killer. And it's a rainproof in as fast as 30 minutes. Visible results in hours. Kills the roots guaranteed. So this one is about 1 pint, 24 ounces. And Home Depot has it for about under $6. I think like $5.98. So I just wanted to give it a shot and see if this actually gonna help, or it's just another product that just, you know, doesn't work. I will keep you guys posted. All right, guys, today is March 27th, and as you can see, it is working. It's dying. All right, so I'm gonna take you towards the end where there's no chemical at all. See, it is dying. Oh my God. Yesterday it was still green, but today, I don't know if it's gonna penetrate all the way through the roots, but so far, look at that. I love it so far. $6. Okay, so I stopped from here, and as you can see, all the way from over here. There we go, all green. So it says in there like 3 hours, but it's more like 2.5 days. Okay, and it actually, I don't know if it's gonna go all the way down, because as you can see, some of the still green here, some of them still green, but majority of them are like yellowish, so it looks like it's working. So round up. All right guys, so today's another day. This is March 28th, and as you can see, a little bit of green, but most of them are turning yellow. Looks like it's dying out. So I don't know, I'll continue record every day and see if it actually completely dies out. As you can see over here, white and green. Look at over here, all dead, which I like. All right guys, so today is March 29th. This is day 4. If I come close, you can see there's still a little bit of green, but most of them are turning brown. So I don't know if it needs more, but it seems to work. Hopefully it's gonna kill all the roots, right? See the difference? So green on that side, yellow on this side. It's April 3rd, so I'm gonna blow this. I'm gonna burn this, okay? Look, today is April 3rd, and as you can see, the grass is dying, yet some of them are still green, but I say majority of them are dead. You see that? I don't know how the chemical penetrated the roots, but it looks good. And this is the other part. So if I were to get rid of all of this section here, I probably need another bottle, about $6. But I think it's worth it overall, because I really don't want to use a hand to cut this. So they're probably gonna buy another bottle. But in the end, it's really worth it for this bottle, $6. Burn it. Kill it all. Burn it. That's one way to kill it. Make sure it doesn't come back. I'm pretty sure it'll come back. But let's make sure it doesn't come back. So we use the chemicals to dry it up, and now we burn it. All right. Let's see if it's gonna come back. I don't know. Maybe. Wow, still got a long way to go. Please don't ever come back again. Let's kill everything. Hopefully this chemical will kill the roots. That way it'll be my last time doing this. Oh, it's really windy. Wow, it's so windy. Look at that, so windy. Oh, kill it! All right, guys, so I finally burned everything already. So after I put the chemical, the Roundup, I forgot. And then I just used this torch flame. There's the, I got this on Amazon. It's an igniter. It's really good. It'll be good for camping as well too.
It's a flame.
Yeah, it's a flame. It's really nice. And then these
really
propane bottles, you can get these at Amazon, Walmart, anywhere. But this igniter is pretty good. So if you guys interested in buying this this stuff, I'll list it in the description for you guys. But so far for the my review for the chemical thing bottle, $6 from Home Depot. It's excellent. But it looks like I need to buy another bottle for the outside part, and then it'll be complete. And hopefully it doesn't come back, and hopefully it will kill the roots. So, but that one I'm have to wait and see if it actually kills the roots. But we'll see. But until next time, I burned everything down already, right? So I don't want to see any more grass. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.